This has made a huge difference in just being able to put like my strawberry jelly that jam that I canned last week, and then just
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning if it's early for you. I have done a little project to not only get rid of something that may have gone in the trash. I tried to give it away, but the person didn't come up, and it was the original laminate flooring in the room that we're standing in. All I had left was about 9 by 9 feet of uncut laminate strips. It comes in 4-foot strips. And please, if you put down a laminate floor, it's a floating floor. Don't shoot it with brad nails. The previous person shot it with brad nails, so it buckled worse than it did before. What I did, instead of throwing this out, Kelly and I were talking on our wire shelving here in our mudroom and pantry, is using it to make a solid surface, because you know sometimes you set cans on here and they topple, or bottles of salad dressing. So Kelly, what do you think about it? We'll switch.
I like it. I like it a lot. He's put a couple of shelves here, of course, shelving here where our shoes are at, and then if you can pan around here, Bruce, this has made a huge difference in just being able to put like my strawberry jelly that jam that I canned last week, and then it just keeps everything more level. I really like it. It's a good use for leftover materials. A lot of our projects, that's what happens is, oh, what do we have? Can we do this? Can we make what we've got work? And that's what he's doing here. So he's going to show you how he cuts these and puts them together. My turn.
I have a wash station, because this stuff has been stored and we're going to be putting, canned goods and things. So I have a dry off. You need 3 strips, and I'm checking them to make sure they're full strips. Let's see. Alright. I'll lay them all the same way because I can be challenged. So the tongue I'm going to put in the back. So those bars, the supports, are round, and you're going to need to cut. I've got I believe it's a 2 1/4 inch hole saw, and I'm going to nibble off the corners so it'll go past those support bars. Alright, I'll dig that out later. So this is the back piece. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And so now, since these are going to line up, this will be the middle. That'll be the middle. This will be the front. I'll nibble off the other edge so it'll clear the front support bars. So working with the laminate, every time you make a cut, it makes look like vinyl snow, I guess. That's the downside of this. So that's it. You don't have to, depending on how it lays, see how that ends nice and finished. Depending on how it lays on the shelf, you may have a little white edge that shows, but it's not much. Here it is. Make sure that's a full piece. It's that little white edge. If you don't like that, you could nibble that off. So that's the one. So that's the only thing, depending on how it lays, that you might not like. You could just take a circular saw and trim that. Kelly and I just emptied this shelf. This is the next one. We're not going to do all of them. The top shelves we're going to leave as they are and put things on there that doesn't matter if they tilt a little bit, because it'll let a little light through, which is why we like the wire shelving. It's kind of a love-hate. Do you want the wire shelving? Do you want flat shelving? So we learned the other day, if you can pan down, Kelly, that that wire, it's a little hard to to lay this on the shelf because it's not a perfectly flat surface. So we assembled it here on the floor. So, and I made a mistake. When you store laminate, hey, can you help me? I didn't store it flat, so it's a little hard to get used to. You gonna help? No?
Just in real cat form.
It wasn't food, so she didn't want it. See how this isn't laying flat? If you get it just right, locks, it lays flat. I laid half the house with new laminate. So just keep wiggling it till it lays flat. So what Kelly and I are going to try to put the camera somewhere and where it takes two of us to lift this up and lay it here, but we'll show you. That's it. Just nibble the corners to go around these supports, and you've got a flat shelf made from stuff that could have been from junk. So I will grab the middle. I think how much you want to grab from the ends. So what do you think? That's it.
It's good. I can put my stuff back on it.
So see, this has, we put it in backwards. See how that white tongue is sticking out? So we'll reverse it. But that's the idea. That's how quick it is to make a flat surface out of the wire shelving with leftover, or go buy some cheap sheets of laminate. This stuff's really fairly easy to work with. But that's it. Hope this helps.
Thank you so much for stopping by Life Every Season. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye.